So Bitcoin is surging again. I don't know why exactly. Doesn't seem like there's a at least a reason why it's surging as much as it is. I'm going to read this article here. This is CoinDesk. I was trying to get some other articles on it, and there were some fluffy articles about it. Um, this one seemed to be a little bit more kind of just clear and concise. But here we go. So Bitcoin tops 35K, hitting 16-month high. Options positioning suggests price has further to run. So Bitcoin surged past 35,000 on Monday, hitting the highest price since May of 2022 as cryptocurrency markets continue their October bull run amid optimism that the BTC ETF will get approved by the US or approved in the US. I guess that would be why, but that's still, wow, it's quite a run. Bitcoin was recently up more than 11% in the past 24 hours to 33,316, pulling back from the peak of its surge, but still up dramatically. There's been a swell of optimism in recent days that the US will get Bitcoin ETFs, fueled by a recent court ruling in favor of Grayscale that boosted odds the biggest Bitcoin trust, its GBTC product, can be converted into one. And BlackRock's, oh, of course, BlackRock, they got to be involved. And BlackRock's application to list one took a semi-step forward when its proposed product showed up on a depository trust and clearing corp. Website, clearing corp website. Yeah, I'm having a hard time. With an assigned unique ID number, something that doesn't mean its ETF was approved, but a step some interpreted as a sign the company is confident it will win. So this was, oh, I don't even know what that is. Chainlink's Polkadot's native token DOT and Polygon's Matic were among the best performing large cap digital assets with 6 to 10% advances. Ether, I should say, and Ripple related token XRP, which I own, by the way, posted 2 and 3% gains. The U.S. stock market erased early Monday losses to finish mixed as the 10-year Treasury yield turned sharply lower after hitting 5% for the first time in 16 years early in the session. So, as I said before, I think Bitcoin, I just think cryptocurrency in general, the big ones anyway, the small ones, I don't know. But the big ones, they're tied to the market. So when you see the market kind of doing some things, you'll see Bitcoin going, which was supposed to be kind of the opposite. They were supposed to be decentralized and not really affected by those kinds of things. But now you've got real money backed into Bitcoin. So anytime you see the markets kind of doing some things or there's speculation, you're going to start to see Bitcoin and other solid, I'll say, solid cryptocurrencies moving along with it. There's always going to be speculation in the garbage coins. Like a bunch of years back, Dogecoin. When Dogecoin did something, but it's a useless coin. It was just a meme coin, and it just went all over the place. Probably because Elon said something about it. But Bitcoin's actually substantive. It actually has some real money back behind it. So what's next for BTC price? The CoinDesk Bitcoin Trend Indicator, which measures the directional momentum and strength in Bitcoin's price action, switched to significant uptrend as BTC strengthens its footing above the 30,000 level. Todd Groth, head of research at CoinDesk and Indices, noted BTC, ETH, and the CoinDesk Market Index (CMI) are all up week over week while decoupling from tech stocks and rising long-dated yields. So let me see here. So they're saying, okay, they're going to hedge their positions above the 30,000 price level. So at its peak around 32,005, almost 20 million of BTC will need to be purchased by options dealers for every 1% move up to stay delta neutral. So yeah, we're getting in some muddy water here where I don't even understand this kind of jargon. So to kind of sum up, it seems like they're saying that that Bitcoin is still bullish and it could still be on an up run. But I don't know. It's so hard to tell with Bitcoin. Oh, here we go. Here's Art. I'll get to you in a second, Art, when I finish this video off here. But it seems with Bitcoin, it's just they go on these massive runs and then kind of tanks off a little. I don't. It's so hard to predict. I wouldn't even know where to start. But I don't know. You watch and you tell me. Tell me in the comments.